Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this ombre and colorful nail stamp design. So on a clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply lime green and cream. The cream is by Sinful Colors. It's called Easy Going. And the green is also by Sinful Colors. It's called Acid Rain. Now the green was very hard to do with the ombre design because the colors were not as dark. So I had to do the ombre 4 or 5 times. But I didn't want to bore you by doing ombre over and over again. But it did take me a while to do. But I have to say I did love the finished look of the complete design with the nail stamp design on top of the ombre. This ombre came out so pretty on its own though. It's a really pretty, perfect for summertime ombre. Then using my Cici and Sisi 15 nail plate, I'm going to put dots of pink and blue on this pretty floral nail design. I'm going to mix the colors together because I want it to become like pink, blue, and purple. I just didn't want to add purple. I just mixed the colors together. I didn't overdo it because I didn't want the colors to become one big color. But I have to say, once I applied the stamp on the ombre, it was just so pretty. And like I said, it was just a nice tropical feel. It was beyond what I expected. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and fun for you guys to recreate. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.